guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel yet once again. I am back with another video, you guys, and this one is a little different. I thought that I would just go ahead and record this and show you guys, because this is something that I've been wanting to do for the longest. I know my mouth looks a little different. I kind of wanted to show you guys that as well. I know this is kind of like a little weird, but I went to the dentist today. So I had a consultation maybe about 2 months or so ago, somewhere, well, maybe like a month and a half ago. And I went there and I talked to the dentist, the doctor, whatever. And I had a few x-rays done, and I told them the things that I wanted to get done to my teeth. And they said, well, you know, this is what we think you should do, or this is what we can do, or this is what we will do, and this is what we recommend. So after that, you guys, I went back to the dentist, and then they did a cleaning on my teeth. So like a whitening type of thing or whatever. And today I went ahead and I did everything that they said that they would do. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, I've been really seriously thinking about either doing Invisalign, getting braces, or even getting veneers, okay? But veneers are really, really expensive, you guys. And a lot of the times when I see people getting veneers, like, they don't really look so good. And then, you know, I do see some people who teeth looks really, really good, but they have to travel really far for them to get done, you know, like the porcelain veneers, or even the ones where they just kind of put the stuff over your teeth. And then I don't like the idea of them having to shave your teeth down. Like, that just, it's just so disgusting looking to me. Like, they seriously shave your teeth down to where it's like itsy bitsy, and it's just like, I don't like that. However, we will talk about shaving teeth and everything, because I'm going to show you guys some pictures of my teeth before and then also after, okay? Well, I can even just show you the video. So, like, right now, you guys, I cannot even move my mouth. Like, my mouth is still numb, okay? And it just feels so weird right now. However, I did not feel anything when I was getting my fillings done, you guys, and when I was getting my teeth shaved down, like straight across or whatever. I didn't feel anything. However, it's just that noise, like that drilling noise. It's just so cringy or whatever. But so okay, let me show you guys what they did, and then I'll kind of like explain as I go, okay? So first of all, I can't even smile. Like, this top lip, it ain't even moving. Like, usually it'd be up here when I smile, but I couldn't even move it. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna get really close up. I know this may be a little weird or nasty looking, but anyways, so I have to hold my top lip up so you guys can see. Okay, so this is my teeth here, my two front teeth. So you guys, I used to have like chips right here in my teeth, and still got a little bit right there. You can like barely see it. I can see it because I look at my teeth in my mouth every day. I look in the mirror, so I can see. And she basically, let me show you guys her. So she basically kind of like shaved my teeth here, and also put filling on, or like smooth it out or whatever, okay? So she did that. And then these teeth down here, you guys, like, I don't know if you can see, but this one up here is kind of coming towards the front. And then this tooth right here used to go up more, like this one. This one used to go up. So she shaved that one down, you guys. And of course she did like all of the fillings and everything. And she told me, she was like, I don't recommend that you get veneers. And she was like, I don't suggest you get veneers. And veneers is not for everybody, you know, unless your teeth is really, really bad. And she complimented me on my teeth like multiple times, saying you have really nice teeth. And actually they're like a really, really good shade, white, like A1 basically. And I was like, you know, thank you. I always get compliments on my teeth, but I just never feel like my teeth is like on point. You get what I'm saying? Like I don't feel like that with my teeth. But now I feel like, oh my god, my teeth looks so good. So this is what they look like. And they're not perfect, you guys, but I really do like them. Like, I think she did a really, really good job. And y'all, let me tell y'all, my dentist did a really good job. She's so cool and down to earth, made me feel really comfortable while I was there. So this is just kind of like my experience and what I got done and all of that. And the numbness, she said, is gonna be about maybe 2 to 3 hours. This feeling is so weird, you guys. It's almost embarrassing to where, like, I can't even smile. Like, it looks so fake. Like, I can't even move my top lip. And then they were like, if you're gonna go out to eat, we suggest you get it, you know, to go. Because if you're trying to eat food and your mouth numb, you're gonna be having food everywhere. You ain't gonna be able to, like, chew or eat the way you really want to eat. But I was just like, y'all, I had to share this with y'all, let y'all know about this, because I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys before, but I've always wanted to get my teeth fixed. And even if you look at my older videos, you can see like the chips that I had, and now it's gone. And down here it's like kind of going straight across. So I wanted her to shave this one down right here, but she was like, no, I don't suggest you do that, because that teeth is like high up for a reason. It, you know, it helps with the way that you eat and chew and all of that stuff. Y'all, I was in there and they were like, we're gonna do this to number 1, we're gonna do this to number 9, and this to number 20, and all this kind of stuff. I was like, oh my god, these numbers and these talking about these teeth, I don't get it. I don't know what you guys are talking about. And then she basically just explained everything to me before she did it, and I was like, okay, yeah, I want to do this, I want to do that. And then this tooth up here, it had like a curve in it, and kind of like how this one is right here. It had a curve, but she shaved it and she kind of smoothed it out, so that was good. But my ultimate reason for sharing this with you guys is because I just wanted to let y'all know about my experience and how I feel. Like, I feel okay. I don't feel like sleepy or like anything like that, because I know sometimes they give you certain medications that'll make you like go to sleep, or like even like a laughing gas and all of that stuff. But I guess that's when they pull out your wisdom teeth. And also, speaking of wisdom teeth, another one of my dentists recommended that I get my wisdom teeth pulled out, but I am just not wanting to do that. I feel like my wisdom teeth are there for a reason. Plus, I have a cousin that works in the dentist's office, and she told me basically, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So don't worry about them if they're not bothering you. But if they are bothering you, then eventually you'll have to get them taken out. And I mean, every now and again, I feel like a little pain, but it's not anything to where I can't, you know, I can't take it anymore. Let me get it pulled out, you know? So it's not really like that. But, you know, if it comes to that point, then I will get them taken out. But for now, everything is good, you guys. Like, I'm so happy. I am so happy. You guys, happy. I'm gonna be like, how you doing? No, I'm just playing. But no, so yeah, I am absolutely ecstatic. Like, I'm happy with the results. Your girl is excited. You can't tell because I can't smile how I want to smile. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So if you're thinking about getting your teeth shaved down, or if you're thinking about getting fillings for your teeth, like if you have chips in your teeth, or if you feel like, you know, one of your teeth is bigger than the other or whatever, then that's a suggestion. Also, she said if you want to get your teeth like straightened out, She suggests braces, but if you don't want to do braces, then you can do Invisalign. So I'm seriously thinking about doing one of those. I don't know exactly just yet. I don't know if I'm going to do braces or I don't know if I'm going to do Invisalign. Haven't really decided. But that'll be a little bit further down the line, you know. And also, if you get veneers done, you guys, just make sure you go to the right person, because I'm so tired of seeing these white chiclets in people's mouth. Like, it's not even funny, okay? But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. The channel is lit. The channel is popping, okay? You know, but that's pretty much it, because I'm about to start rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace.